A migrant boat sank in the English Channel, causing 6 deaths while 2 individuals could still be missing. About 65 to 66 people were aboard the boat, as per survivor accounts. More than 20 people were rescued and taken to Dover by British authorities. Afghan men constituted the victims, fleeing Taliban conflict. Crossing the channel on small boats is dangerous, often exploited by human traffickers. Despite efforts, UK saw 755 migrants detected crossing the channel in a day, the highest in a year. French authorities have increased patrols, and UK government has prioritized curbing the crossings.